Frankenstein C20 here. Well, it looks like we're stalled out at this point. Got the right size outer tie rod ends, but that came with the kit. That came with the disc brake kit. So I didn't think anything about it. I thought, well, I need new inner ones, so I went ahead and ordered new inner ones, not thinking that the thread pitch and everything is different than on here. I have to have some left-handed threads. I cannot get this to work to save my life. So I'm going to have to go back to Napa, get the correct end here with the right size threads to go into here. Might be a tricky proposition, but yeah, that's the fun of customization. When everything gets custom, you don't think about them little things. And you know, I ordered these, got them probably a couple months ago, so I'm probably stuck with them. But that's okay. I will put everything in a big pile when I'm done, and it'll all go up for sale, so somebody can use it. So that's where we're at today. We're stalled out. We're supposed to get some snow tonight, so it's doing nothing but getting colder. I'm going to probably wrap everything up here tonight, get everything put away, call it a day. But so what I'm going to keep pressing on. Tomorrow after I get home, I'm going to go ahead and get the starter in there. Starter's right there. Work on getting that in. And I got a front anti-sway bar. I'm going to go ahead and see about getting that going. I may go ahead and grab that while after I get off here. See what I need to do that. I got all the hardware right here. I'm going to have to drill a few holes in the front frame horn up here, because this never had a sway bar on it before. So, but yeah, we're just a little stalled out here. Minor setback, no big deal. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment. And ring the bell, man. Ring the bell, because I'm dropping a couple videos a day right now while I got the time to work on this thing. So, yeah, we will see you all later. Bye.